Hey guys, this is the problem with most AI tools. They hold you back. They decide what you can ask. But not anymore. Just look at this. I plug my USB drive into my computer and simply run this one file. And that's it. In just a few seconds, I get a completely uncensored AI running directly from this USB. No setup, no internet required, and mainly no restrictions messages like, I can't answer that. It runs entirely offline, leaving zero trace on the computer you plug it into. It's just you and the AI. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install and run an uncensored AI model locally from a USB drive. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you need is a USB drive. I recommend at least 16 gigabytes, but more is better for bigger models. And please use a fast USB drive. Slow ones will technically work, but they're painfully slow, like turning a few minutes of work into hours. Next, I've made everything super simple for you on a GitHub repo. You'll find the link in the description. I kept it really easy. It's basically just plug in your USB, double-click the file, and you're good to go. Just download this repo on your PC and extract it. Let me quickly do that. Next thing you need to do is format your USB drive. This just makes sure everything is clean and ready, so you don't run into weird errors later. Make sure you choose the file system as exFAT, because it works on both Windows and Mac. Once that's done, just take the extracted folder and move it into your USB drive. I'll do that real quick. Now open that folder, select everything inside, and drag it directly into the USB drive. Don't keep it inside another folder. Alright, now once everything is in your USB, just look for a file called install.bat. Just double-click on it, and it will start installing the uncensored local AI directly onto your USB drive. You might see a prompt. Just press any key to continue. First, it will download the Dolphin Llama model. The time depends on your internet speed and your USB speed. And yeah, mine is slow, so I already know this is going to take a while. Basically, this whole process can take around 30 to 40 minutes. So just sit back, grab a coffee, and let the script do all the heavy lifting for you. And there we go. Your USB is now a fully portable, uncensored local AI setup, ready to run anywhere. Now it is saying, double-click on Windows startbat file to use the setup. Let's open the USB drive. And yes, here is our start Windows file. Just double-click on it to run it. It will set up a few things for the first time, so this part might take a minute. Just let it run. What it's doing in the background is setting up the environment, configuring the AI, and preparing all the required files so everything runs smoothly directly from your USB. And there we go. It automatically opens the AnythingLLM chat interface. This is where we're going to chat with our AI. But first, just click on the settings icon, then go to chat settings. Here under LLM provider, scroll down and select Ollama, and it will automatically detect the model from your USB, since we're using the Dolphin model. You can also tweak things here like the system prompt and behavior, but for now, just update the workspace settings. Alright, now it's time to test it. Let me send, hey there. And there we go. Our portable local LLM setup is responding perfectly. And as you can see, it even shows detailed stats like tokens per second, response time, and performance. So you know exactly how fast your AI is running. And this is the best part. Everything you're seeing right now is running completely from the USB drive. Currently, our chatbot is still a bit restricted, which means it might refuse to answer certain questions or give limited responses. So let's fix that too. First, I'll create a new workspace. You can give it any name you want. Once it's created, go into workspace settings and select Ollama again for this workspace. Now scroll down to system prompt and just paste the prompt. You'll find it in the description below. Once you paste it, just save the workspace settings. Now let's test it as well. Let me try asking something more advanced in Python, just to see how it responds now. And there we go. You can already see the difference. It's way more detailed, more flexible, and no unnecessary refusals. Now, let me quickly run the same prompt in ChatGPT, just to show you the difference. So yeah, just look at this. ChatGPT throws an error for the same prompt. Meanwhile, our local AI just handles it smoothly without stopping. In AnythingLLM, you can create as many chats as you want using this thread button. Just click it, and you can start a completely new conversation anytime. Let me also show you something really cool. This app is actually running from the USB itself, not my PC. Let me quickly search for AnythingLLM and open its file location. And look at this. This app is inside our USB drive. That means everything you're using right now is coming directly from the pen drive. And if you want, you can even use other models. Just download the gguf file, drop it into the models folder on your USB, and then select it inside the AnythingLLM app. So yeah, that's how you can run a fully private AI model directly from a USB drive. No install, no internet, and complete control in your hands. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Jarvis, signing off.